Here are more Christian religious ASL signs. The sign angel. Now, to sign angel, what I do is I bring both hands out in front of the body, and then I will flex my fingers down just like this. From here, take the tips of the fingers, place them on the shoulder, and at the same time, both hands will actually flick out and upwards, just like this. Let me show you from the side, from the front again. That is how I sign angel. Now, let's say you're talking about a host of angels. Now, how I sign that is I do the sign for angel, and then from here, I take both hands, do the number 4. These are going to represent the host of angels. And then I'm going to pretend as though I'm looking up into the heavens, and encompassing around in the heavens are a host of angels. So let me show you that whole sign. That is how I sign a host of angels. The sign Exalt. To sign this, simply take both hands, bring them out in front of the body, and what I do is I flex the fingers down just like this. This becomes like a level, and then you're going to bring it up to a higher level, just like this. So let me show you that whole sign. From the side, and from the front again. That is how I sign Exalt. The sign chapter and verse. Now, with chapter and verse, you know in the Bible, chapters go downwards just like this, and verses go across. So you're going to pretend as though you're actually looking at a Bible. You're going to first form the letter C, turn it on its side, and go downwards, representing chapter. Now for verse, you're going to pinch the thumb and the index finger and go across. So let me give you an example. Let's just say you said chapter 6 and verse 5. So you're going to go chapter 6, verse 5. Let me show you that again. Chapter 6, verse 5. From the side. Chapter 6, verse 5. And front again. Chapter 6, verse 5. That is how I sign chapter and verse. The sign born again. To sign is first take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body just like this. Palm is kind of angled downward. Now with your dominant hand, now I'm right-handed, so my right hand is my dominant hand. So with my dominant hand, I bring it just like this. It will slide up underneath and up just like this. From the side. Front again. Now for the second portion, again, simply take that non-dominant hand, bring the palm facing upward, but this time now take your dominant hand. With the fingers, it will tap on top of the palm of the non-dominant hand, just like this. So let me show you that whole sign again. Born again. From the side. Born again. And the front again. Born again. That is how I sign born again. The sign praise. To sign praise, simply take both hands, bring them out in front of the body, and then you're just going to clap just like this. From the side. And front again. That is how you sign praise. The sign to prepare. To sign is simply take both hands. What I do is I bring them out in front of the body, palms are facing one another, and I usually bring them to one side. And from here, they will go down, upward, form a little circle, back down again, and to the other side, just like this. From the side. Front again. That is how I sign to prepare. The sign religion. To sign religion, simply take your dominant hand, form the letter R. From here, place that on the chest and go flicking it outwards twice, just like this. From the side. Front again. That is how I sign religion. The sign to seduce. To sign is simply take your non-dominant hand, extend out the index finger just like this in front of the body. Now with your dominant hand, I form the number 4. These 4 fingers will brace up against the back of the index finger of the non-dominant hand just like this. from the side, front again. That is how you sign to seduce. The sign send. To sign is simply take both hands, extend out the index finger, and from here, flex them down, bring them towards the side, and you're going to actually do a inward circular motion just like this. From the side, front again. That is how you sign send. The sign therefore. Now for the sign therefore, you're going to actually pretend as though you're tracing the symbol for therefore. You'll see it right up on the screen. So what you'll do is you'll take your dominant hand, bring the index finger and the thumb right here, and then you're going to start with the top dot, bring it down, and then across, just like this. Let me see if I can show you it from the side. From the front again. That is how you sign therefore. Now on this video, I've shown you 10 or more signs. If you've learned anything from this video, please honor me by hitting the like button. Next, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.